Here's a 2008 Honda Civic Coupe. Get more mileage out of every drive with this Civic. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: AM/FM stereo radio, multifunction steering wheel, manual tilting steering column, power front windows, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof. MSN Autos reports it has a sleek new aerodynamic body with a sweeping roofline, rakish windshield angle, and low wide stance. Interiors are blessed with more style and function. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Metropolitan Ford, you'll always get a great experience and a great price. Stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located off Plaza Drive in Eden Prairie.